To be fit and healthy, we must take a perfect diet in the perfect time. Plants need a lot of nutrients for their growth and survival. Even plants absorb nutrients from the soil. But where does the soil get these nutrients from? Let's find out. Plants require a larger amount of nutrients to grow and be healthy. Nutrients required in larger quantities are called macronutrients. Nutrients required in smaller quantities are called micronutrients. Most of these nutrients are present inside the soil. Nutrients are naturally renewed by the soil organisms. Soil organisms break down plants and animal waste into substances. This decomposition matter is rich in nutrients. However, when the same crops are repeatedly grown in a field, the nutrients get used up too rapidly by the crop. Farmers add natural and chemical fertilizers to the soil. Do you know what is meant by compost manure? Let's find out. Compost is decomposed plants and animal wastes. Plants from the garden, field, kitchen, and the animals are dipped into a van and are poured into a compost manure pit. They add water to the waste to attain the moisture capacity. After a certain time, this is transformed into compost manure or manure. It is added to the soil for the soil nutrition. It also increases the water holding capacity of the soil. It also makes the soil porous. Vermicomposting is another best way for decomposition. Earthworms are added to the soil for decomposition. Crop rotation is another best method. Just find it out. Crops like wheat consume a lot of nitrogen from the soil. Chemical fertilizers does not give all the essential nutrients for the crop. But one thing before telling you about that, people mix various chemicals in these chemical fertilizers, such as urea, potash, NPK means nitrogen phosphate and potassium, ammonium phosphate. Chemical fertilizers are very dangerous for the crop. Excess quantity of fertilizers reduce the soil water holding capacity. And also chemical fertilizers destroy the friendly soil organisms. Fertilizers flow into the water bodies and pollute them. Artificial fertilizers should be used sparingly. For a recap,